Have you ever talked to a girl and wondered, wait a second, does she actually likes me or I'm just imagining things? Because let's be honest, sometimes the signs are super subtle and sometimes they are right in front of you but you don't realize. Well, in today's video, I'm breaking down 10 clear signs that she likes you, signs that she has a crush on you. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'm going to tell you exactly what to do if you see these signs. It's something that can literally turn her quiet crush into something real, and you don't want to miss it.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga.
Now, sign number 1. She always finds reason to talk to you. When a girl likes you, she will always find reason to start a conversation, even if it's about the smallest thing. Maybe she will ask for help with something that she can easily do, or she brings up a random topic just to keep you talking. She might text you saying, hey, what's the homework again? Or have you seen that show, right? And you know she could ask anyone else. But if she continues reaching out again and again, that's not coincidence, it's interest. Sign number 2, she remembers little things. Here is the big one. If she remembers things that you have mentioned before, your favorite snack, the name of your dog, that random story about your childhood. See, when a girl likes you, her brain basically takes screenshots and everything that you say. She's not just listening, she's paying attention. So if she's remembering details that most people forget, that's a solid sign she is into you or she has a crush on you. Sign number 3, her body language changes around you. You can learn a lot from body language. When she is into you, she might lean closer when you are talking, play with her hair, or even mirror your movement. Notice her eyes. Does she hold your gaze just a little longer than normal? Does she smile at the moment you look into her eyes? Those little signs are not accidents. That's her subconscious showing attraction. Sign number 4, she teases you. Flirty teasing is a classic crush behavior. She might playfully make fun of your hairstyle, your taste in music, how you laugh, but always in a light-hearted, fun way. She is not trying to insult you, she is trying to connect. If she is teasing you, but smiling or laughing right after, she is flirting, and it means she is comfortable enough to play around. Number 5, she tries to look her best around you. If you suddenly notice that she put more effort in how she looks when she knows you will be around, that's not random. Sometimes she fixes her hair when you walk in, apply lip gloss, check herself on her phone when she spots you coming. People naturally try to look their best for someone they like, so pay attention. Little style upgrade might be the way she's saying, I hope he notices me. By the way, I'm curious to know, which of these signs have you noticed from your girl before? Drop a comment down below with the number of the sign that hit you the hardest. I love reading your stories, and who knows, maybe I will mention few in the future video. Sign number 6, she gets little nervous around you. You know that adorable nervousness energy, the fidgeting, the giggle, the slight awkwardness. Yep, that's often a sign she likes you. When we care about someone's opinion, we get anxious about making good impression. So if she blushes, stumble on her words, or laugh at random times when she is around you, don't see it as weird. That's actually really cute, and it usually means she is into you. Number 7, she tries to bring common interest. If she keeps bringing music, hobbies, shows, or places you like, then suddenly she's not into them. That's a sign. She's trying a way to connect, a way to create a we moment. Maybe she says, I've been waiting to try that too. You like that band? Me too. That's not coincidence, that's effort. She's subtly telling you we would get along. Sign number 8. Her friends knows about you. This one is huge. If her friends giggle when you walk by, or you catch them looking your way when she's around, chances are they know who you are. Girls tell their friends everything, especially if they have crush. So if her circle of friends suddenly acts a little different when you show up, trust me, they've been talking about you. Sign number 9. She finds a way to be close to you. When someone likes you, they naturally want to be near you, even if they don't say it out loud. She might choose to sit next to you, walk in your direction, or show up in places you hang out. It's subtle but intentionally. If she's showing up where you are, she's showing interest. Sign number 10. She compliments you. Girls don't hand out compliments just for fun, especially the personal ones. If she tells you things like, you smell really good, you are so funny, you always make me smile, those aren't random comments. That's her testing the water to see how you will react and to see if you're gonna flirt back. And if you are still watching, this is the part that I promised at the start. What you should do if you notice these signs. Simple. Don't rush into it, but don't ignore it either. Start matching her energy. Be confident. Compliment her back. And most importantly, create opportunities to spend time together. That's how you move from her having a crush to both of you actually build something real. And if you are not sure what to say or how to text her next, don't worry, I've got you covered. If you want to take things to the next level, click this video here. It's about 7 flirty, respectful texts that you can send to your crush. It's packed with examples that you can use today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more confident and relationship tips. See you in the next one.